Hello, welcome to Dancing Kitchen. Today we are making delicious zucchini balls. These are perfect for dinner, combining the natural freshness of zucchini with a savory, spiced ground beef filling. Not only is this dish visually appealing, but it's also packed with flavors that will keep you coming back for more. Let's start by prepping our zucchinis. First, remove the tips and stems and trim away any stained spots. Now, slice each zucchini in half. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out the inner part to create a hollow for our filling. Arrange the zucchini halves on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. We will pop these into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius and bake for around 20 minutes, just until they start to soften. While those bake, let's prepare the filling. Chop the zucchini in sides we chopped out earlier into small pieces. Then finely chop one onion for a bit of added flavor. Heat up 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Add 500 grams of ground beef and cook it over medium heat. We want it nicely browned, so let's give it a good stir to cook evenly and break up any clumps. Crush and mix to avoid clumps of ground beef. Once the beef is browned, it's time to season. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for a rich depth of flavor, followed by our diced onions. Season with 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper and paprika powder. Give everything a good mix to blend those flavors together. Now add the chopped zucchini in sides back into the pan. Pour in half a cup of water, close the lid and let it simmer for 15 minutes on low heat. This will allow all the flavors to melt beautifully. With the filling ready, let's assemble our zucchini balls. Spoon the cooked ground beef mixture into each zucchini balls, filling them generously. Back into the oven, they go again at 200 Celsius for another 15 minutes. For the final touch, sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese on top and bake for an additional 5 minutes until melted and golden. And there you have it, a delicious dinner ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Dancing Kitchen.